Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing 4 ways to create scenes using this gorgeous PET tape from the Washi Tape Shop. I'm going to show you how easy it is to use these stickers to create scenes on your cards for some really quick and easy card making. If you don't have any PET tape in your collection but have washi tape, then you could definitely do this with washi tape as well. In fact, the Washi Tape Shop sells this design as a PET tape or a washi tape, so depending on what you prefer. This is the French Courtyard wide tape, and I'll leave links to all the products that I used today in the description box below. So the new versions of the tapes from the Washi Tape Shop are actually pre-cut, so there's no need to do any fussy cutting. And one benefit to using the PET tape over the washi tape is that because the PET tape is transparent, it means that it's a lot easier to kind of get an idea for how the design is going to look when it's laid over another design. And because they can be layered over the top of each other, that's why it's really easy to create scenes with these gorgeous designs. So I'm just creating a little scene here with this manor house. I've added an arch over the top. That's going to be at the forefront of the garden, as it were. And then I'm adding some trees and the gates over the top, and I'm going to add some little tufts of grass just to kind of help ground the design at the front. And then that's our first card made, and I just love how easy it is to create a scene like this with really minimal effort. So the second scene that I'm creating is using this image with the water and the bridge on. I'm adding a floral arch to it, again to help ground the design. And then I'm going to add this lovely water fountain and a couple of pots with foliage in it as well. Again, just to help ground the image and kind of draw your eye to the forefront of the card. And then that is the second scene. Look how quick and easy that one was. So I am going to turn all these into cards, but I'm just going to pop them to one side while we create a couple more scenes. So for this one, I'm using that gorgeous front door with that yellow foliage. I've added that side light to the front of the house. Again, I've added a little pot with some foliage in. I'm going to add the gorgeous wisteria, and then that is the third scene created. And then finally, for the fourth scene, I'm going to add this kind of open building. I'm going to add a little window as well. And then I'm going to tie the design together by adding lots of foliage and flowers. So there's these gorgeous floral window displays, these kind of gorgeous climbing foliage plants that I can add as well, some wisteria, that light to kind of make the buildings kind of feel a little bit more joined up. And then I'm just going to add some more wisteria to tie the whole design together, and a little bit more of kind of like a climbing foliage piece around the light. And then I think that really just helps bring the whole design together, and it creates that really gorgeous fourth scene. So I'm going to go ahead and turn these into cards now, and I'm going to die cut all of them using the A2 additional piercing dies from Waffle Flower, because this will add some really nice piercing detail around the edge of the panels. And so I think that'll help kind of set the scene on the card really nicely. It's also going to trim the scene down quite a bit as well. So I believe this inner die was approximately about 3.5 inches by 4 3/4 inches. So it's a really nice size for A2 cards, which is what we're going to be creating today. So I'm not going to show you all of the footage for all of those panels, but you get the idea that I've added that detail. And then I've done the same with the colour matte layers that I'm going to attach them to. So again, for each scene, I've picked out a dominant colour to use for a matte layer at the back. And then that way it kind of helps pull the whole design together. So I picked out the reds for this one with the floral arch, for example, and then this tealy green or turquoise blue for that manor house one. And it just kind of helped pull the design together. And I think when you're creating quite simple cards, it's all the little details that really kind of help to bring the design to life. So I am going to add some foam tape to the back of each of these panels before I mount it on my top folding A2 card blank. And again, that just adds a little bit of dimension and really just steps up the design a little bit. I'm going to use a variety of sentiments that I'd got on my desk. So that Hello Lovely is a Gina K Designs sentiment. These So Happy For You, Miss You strips are a Concord and 9th So Many Saying stamp set, along with that congratulations, and they were white heat embossed on black cards. So I already had them on my desk ready to go, and they worked really well with these cards. So here's our 4 cards that we've created today, and I think they look really pretty. So I really hope that this has helped you today, giving you some inspiration of ways that you can use PET tape to create scenes. I really hope that it's helped you to see how easy it is to use the stickers, how they layer over the top of each other really beautifully. And I think these would be great for creating little gift sets of cards. So as always, all the products that I've used will be linked in the description box below. Some of those links are affiliate links, and so I really appreciate you using them. It really helps to support my channel. As always, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you've enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know which of these cards is your favourite. And if you'd like to see more from me, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell as well so that you don't miss any videos from me. I'll leave a link to my washi tape playlist at the end of this video, so if you want some more inspiration, you can find it there, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.